leak from outside. Hurricane Isaias is making its little bit of approach. Well, tropical storm now, I guess. So I'm going to try to patch this active leak. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Go give me the hammer, please.
Okay.
Clear off any loose debris. Fortunately, wet and pretty mixed off. Make sure and see where exactly it's coming from. Instructions for the DryLock says
Where is the hammer?
wherever you put it. The instructions for the DryLock says that it needs to be in a V shape, which is kind of how this looks down here. So we'll see if I can mix it up and get it in there like it's supposed to. We'll try. Okay. So now we gotta mix this up. So we gotta put our gloves on.
Okay, Mama.
Okay. So I've got water, a little container, and my DryLock. Put my goggles down. I have a mask on. Woohoo! And goggles. There's Carmen. She's putting the dog upstairs and coming back down. Got some flares in the basement. Biting my feet.
Stop on the stove, Mom.
Okay, thank you.
I'm not going to put my other glove on.
Okay. So there should be 3 level scoops. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Put a knife. Probably should have pulled the sticker off of it before I put my gloves on, but oh well. There you go. Okay. Put a knife. Should be able to get in there. Decently cool water. 1.
Okay, ready to help.
Okay. Well, you got your goggles on?
Yep.
Go stand on the other side of the table for me.
Okay. But there's a rug.
Okay, we'll just stand right there where you're at.
Okay. Next to the corner. I don't want to step on.
All right. Pretty good? Pretty good? Yeah. Okay, let's change our location. Carmen is being my camera operator. All right. I don't have to worry about. All right, guess I'll wait about a minute. Oh man. Shove it in here. That's what we're gonna do.
What is this? A camera operator?
Don't push the button. Yep, that's the button that helps control when it starts recording.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna mix up a little bit more of this. And try to expand over this area. Yeah. That's looking pretty good. I like it. I like it a lot. You had to recognize that you had it again. Alright, so now I've got this mixed up a little fresher. I'm not going to let it clump and get it dry before I start putting it on. I want to try to smooth it really into that spot. I needed it to have to fill it in up here to this part. I don't want water coming through any of this.
Wow. You sure are a fixer-upper.
And while we're down here fixing, I think we'll go to that middle room. Looks like Grandpa came in over here. We did the same thing already once or twice. There's some water on the floor. There's not no more coming in. But I seem to have gotten it. Well, it's not raining right now either. The rain stopped, so.
How could the rain stop?
Well, the rain, it stopped raining. Because it was only drizzling when we came down.
Well, as you see, my mom is going to the middle room to go seal it.
All right, you remember when we found the water coming in the side?
Yeah.
Carry the camera over there. In that middle room. Where the crack
Well,
in the wall
you
is.
see, all of these rocks, why are they doing on the cracks? What? Because we had a flood in our house. As you see, my mom has a fan right here to keep it cool in here. And this door used to be a door. And it doesn't go to anything now. So Mom decided to put a chimney here, as you see. And here's a wall. And here's where we think the flood. And as you want to see my mom, she's right there.
Alright. Can you see the spot on the wall?
Yeah.
Down. Put the camera down. Back up. Too close. Stop right there. Don't be slamming it. This patch.
I got it on already.
But I'm trying to fix this one. Because this is where I saw the water coming in before. And even though I don't know if this is where it's coming in now or not, we're going to patch it in. That's a big old deal.
Yeah. As you see, my mom is patching up the hole because she doesn't want any water exactly in the basement.
Nope. Don't want no water in the basement.
She learned that song from, I guess, my mama or Miss I don't know who.
Maybe I just made it up. Think about that.
Huh?
Do you think maybe I just made it up?
Yeah, I guess she made it up. Mom, can I take my goggles up?
Yeah. That's mostly just for stuff. I need to get some more.
As you hear, my mom is doing that. Hi. Hi. My gloves.
Move your gloves, please.
Old school. But they can still see you.
Help. You're making a mess.
45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
All right.
51, 52, 53,
Carmen.
Oh, coming. I just see my mom is touching this to there. guess I'll just lean on this wall, but I won't. Moving the camera now.
Here you're at.
As you see, my mom is trying to patch that.
Oh, there's a big hole here. I was going to take the rest of this,
And
wad it up, and put it in there.
squish it in there
Yeah.
like a pat of nothing. She's gonna patch it in so she doesn't feel a thing.
Ah, my bottle fell off.
What happened?
My bottle fell off. It's okay. Now, all we can do is wait. It's official. All of our leaks have been patched now. No leaking. It's slowly drying. All this residual dampness in the corner is drying. What we had to patch. Patched that spot, and that spot, and that spot, and a spot right there. But it's all fixed. Yay! Carmen, do you give it approval? All right. Does this one look like it's doing good?
Yep.
Yep. Well, it still seems a little damp in here, but I think it's just because this room doesn't get as much airflow as the other room because it's so big. And it may be that there's residual moisture coming up through the floor. All right. I think we got it though. No more hot tub basement. No more, no more, no more, no more. Okay, talk.
Well, subscribe down below and watch more videos on YouTube. And we'll be subscribing more soon.
And we'll be doing more soon.